Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I purchased a CSY Art Gallery metallic watercolor paints, supposedly handmade, glimmer shimmering, double color. The titles goes on and on, but these were beautiful looking when I saw them. It was a set of 12 and I love some shimmer, so I decided to try these out. This is is it my Dina Wakley? Is it Dina Wakley or is it, it's from Ranger Ink, the black paper art journal. I can't now think of it's, oh, what's her name? It's escaping me. You guys are going to say it, I know, but you can leave the link or leave it in the comments below. But that journal. And so I went ahead and painted the flowers you see there. And now I'm doing the wreath on camera. And I have to say they're very, very pretty. They are supposedly made with honey, I guess. They weren't expensive. It's about $20 for this set of 12, which is reasonable, I guess. You get 12 colors, and I swatched them out, and they do have an interesting range of effects on the black paper, as you can see from some of the flowers there. And I will leave links below, so go ahead and check those out. And while I'm thinking of it, if you can hit like, share, and subscribe, that would be helpful too, and let YouTube know to send this video out. So has anybody else tried these out? I'm curious. I know I've seen some people swatch them, and people obviously have mixed feelings about them. I do think, as someone who works with digital art, I think that the whole light fastness and whatnot doesn't quite matter as much in this circumstance, because I do use them to make surface pattern designs from them. So for me, this particular thing, it's not a deal breaker, but if you were making original art to sell outright, you might want to pay more attention to that. I'm not quite sure that this would be completely on the up and up, I guess. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. They make claims on Amazon. I'm not really sure, but anyway, like I said, if you're using it to play around in your art journal, just at home use, or like what I do, painting and then using the digital file, it doesn't really matter because it's digital. But they had some other choices. This was the one that looked the most interesting to me for the money. They had some smaller 6-piece ones that were a little more tailored to color family, like some teals, and then they had one that was greens and golds, and one that was blues, and one that was pinks. But I went for this because I'm probably not going to buy the rest of those, but this had the largest variety of colors. It had some like that limey green that I have the leaves painted with. The deep, deep purples and oranges are really, really pretty. So they were fun to use. Yeah, I don't know this company per se, so, it's not like I can say, oh yeah, go buy these, you'll love them. I think if you like to do the things that I already said, I think you might like them. The 6-piece ones are around $11 or $12, so you're getting another 6 colors for less than double the price. So I just showed you the cover there, and yeah, like I said, I'll be using them also on top of other paintings and things as well, to give a little glimmer here and there. But I did want to paint something entirely with these, just so I could kind of see how they played with them, and a little bit how they move and how they work with, but on the black paper. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that little quick painting using these metallic watercolors, and I'll leave links below. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you have a great day.